After photosystem 2 creates these high energy electrons by absorbing the light energy, those electrons have to be transported through the thylakoid. Electrons are far too small to manipulate on their own, so we have a series of electron carrier proteins that will shuttle these high energy electrons from one place to another. That happens by attaching the electrons to these electron carriers, and then the carriers can be moved around with the high energy electrons attached. Let's look in detail at the electron transport chain. What happens to the electrons as they move down the electron transport chain? Well, let's follow them. Energy from the electrons is used by the proteins in the chain to pump hydrogen ions from the stroma is here, from the stroma into the thylakoid space. So we use that energy to pump these hydrogen ions into the thylakoid. At the end of the electron transport chain, the electrons themselves pass to a second photosystem called photosystem 1. It's here. So we have photosystem 2, then the electron transport chain. In the electron transport chain, we use some of that energy from those high energy electrons to pump hydrogen ions into the thylakoid space, and then we transfer those high energy electrons with the electron carriers to photosystem 1.